Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to zoom in and out in Capcut PC. So to zoom in and out in Capcut PC, use keyframes to animate the scale setting in the video panel. So I'm going to select a part in this video, right? And on the right side, I'm going to press diamond or the keyframe. I'm going to move the video a little bit and I'm going to zoom in now. Right now, I'm gonna move a little bit and add zoom, or I'm gonna just adjust the position or adjust the playhead. So I'm gonna play the video now. Right, if I want to add another zoom, I can just go ahead and extend inside. But if I want to go back to the normal settings, I can just go ahead. Go back to the normal here. So I'm gonna go ahead, position it right here. Yeah, this is the normal position. So I'm gonna play the video now. Zoom in. Now zoom out. So basically, that's it, right? May not be the perfect zoom in and out, but it does the trick. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.